Once there was a cat named Nugget who believed he was smarter than everyone in the house. One day he watched his human open the fridge and saw the treasure inside. Tuna. Nugget thought, I can do that. Easy. So he waited, and when no one was looking, he jumped onto a chair, then the counter, then the fridge handle. Yank! The fridge opened. Nugget stood there proud and victorious, until the fridge door swung back and shut behind him. Click. Nugget was now trapped inside the fridge. He ate the tuna, then panicked when the light turned off.